So, freestyle motocross is about these guys on motorbikes. The good part about these motorbikes is they don't have their own frame. What we do need though is a shitload of noise, excuse my French. How you going there, mate? You guys ready for a bit of freestyle motocross? Wow, get a load of this. You like that, didn't you? How about this? Come on folks, how about it for Jordan? One more to go. Give it up, ladies, give it up for Jordan. Yeah. So, in the country, Jack. Australia, the box with a heart attack. Come on, have a picture. Big old heart attack now. There's one here. Beautiful Australia.
Too tough, too strong. JB Mechanical, one short. Hang around, win the battle.
Come on, Miriam. Big thanks for occasion.
Hospitalised, traumatised, we've had it all hard in the front range. Get out of there, kiddo. How about it, ladies and gentlemen? Nice job, Cowboy. Last Cowboy, he's trying to ride one. Let's get it on. Keep hustling. Number 2, come on, go after one, Jesse Cooper.
Oh my goodness.
Well, too much hamburger puts the Cowboy out of the contest. No score.
Got one.